Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions here, and today I'm going to show you exactly why most French drains fail. Now, people want to be cheap, do it themselves for as cheap and as fast as possible. Well, guess what? That's not the way to go. Please spend an extra 30-40 bucks and actually use drain sleeve that goes around your perforated pipe and put filter cloth in the trench. Doing both of these helps make your system work 100% efficiently and last even longer. Otherwise, you end up with something like this. And here's a prime example of how not to run a French drain. As you can see this, they put the black perforated pipe in, pulled a piece of it out already, but there's no sock around it, no filter cloth, no nothing. So as you can see, dirt, rock, everything ended up getting into it, and it makes it so it doesn't work. So do it right the first time. Now that we have it dug out, we're gonna filter cloth and pipe it. And this is how it should probably be done. You got the filter cloth, you got the perforated pipe with the sock around it, and then you put the rock on top of it. That way it's all one big mini dry well. So that's it. Once again, take the extra time, a little bit extra money, and do it correctly so that way you can save lots of money from having somebody else come in and rip it out and doing it all over again. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.